Welcome to LilyPad. Let's take a look at the Provider Admin tab. We will first look at the Provider Setup page. This page allows you to upload a logo to represent your business and a background for your calendar. The most important part of this page is the Parent Billing Settings section at the bottom. In this section, you can set recurring billing amounts for children of all ages, set the number of days until invoices are due, and set default billing frequencies for automatic invoicing. Looking at this section, you will notice the Use Omega credit card processing option. Through Omega, invoices can be paid online. Once you have created an Omega account, you can paste your Omega key in the field provided. Then click Update Settings to save your entry. Once this is done, you can process payments through LilyPad. Like the Parent Billing Settings section on the Provider Setup page, the Parent Billing Setup tab allows you to set default recurring billing amounts, billing frequency, and you can enter your Omega key to use Omega credit card processing. Unlike the Parent Billing Settings section on the Provider Setup page, this tab allows you to set your drop-in rate. The Manage Staff section will show us a list of active staff members currently using the system. Clicking the Add New App User button in the right corner of the screen will allow you to add new staff to the system. You can also disable any staff members not currently employed by you by clicking Disable to the right of their name. Clicking Edit User and Roles next to their name opens the staff member's profile, which allows you to edit their name, username, PIN, active status, role, and password. Documents and Files allows us to upload and view any important documentation pertaining to you, your business, or your employees. You can create new files and delete files in Manage File folders. The purpose of this page is to allow you to manage and organize files the way you see fit. Simply click on the type of file you'd like to manage, and you will be brought to the folder setting page for that section. You can create and remove rooms in the Manage Rooms page. Here you can assign staff to specific rooms and deactivate any rooms you may no longer need. The Missed Sign In Out section allows you to manually add any sign-ins or sign-outs that may not have been recorded. Simply enter the name of the child, the date, the start or end time, depending on which entry is missing, a note to explain the discrepancy, and click Update to save your entry. This concludes our walkthrough of the Provider Admin tab of MyLilyPadApp.com.